We're facing a very difficult time as a country and as a province. We've been through a lot together these past 3 years, but still have many challenges ahead of us. Tonight, I want to address how our government is going to work together with you and your family to overcome these challenges. For seniors and families with dependent children under 18 years of age, we will provide $600 over 6 months for each child as well as each senior. This will be targeted to middle-income families with household incomes below $180,000. That same amount will be provided to vulnerable Albertans collecting AISH and PDD and income support. We will suspend the entire provincial fuel tax for at least the next 6 months and make the current fuel relief program permanent thereafter. We will index all provincial tax brackets retroactively to 2022, resulting in larger rebates when you file your taxes this spring. We will also index for inflation, AISH, PDD, income support, the seniors benefit, and the Alberta Child and Family Benefit beginning this January. We will provide an increased rebate on consumer electricity bills through the winter months, totaling an additional $200 per household. We will limit spikes in winter electricity rates while continuing with the current natural gas rebate program. And finally, we will invest in food banks and expand low-income transit passes to ensure every Albertan has access to food and mobility for their families. It means more health professionals in emergency rooms to make sure those who need beds get them faster, and those who need a simple prescription or alternate care can get that care without having to be in hospital. It also means ensuring we don't have ambulances waiting with patients at the emergency rooms so our paramedics can get to more calls faster. And it means getting more surgeries done and wait lists decreased by using specialized surgical centers and underutilized rural hospitals and operating rooms that are just sitting there empty. We will also be looking at ways to gradually restore healthcare decision-making to local communities and health professionals on the ground, and to encourage a stronger culture of innovation in patient care. In about a week's time, our government will introduce the Alberta Sovereignty Within a United Canada Act. This legislation is designed to be a constitutional shield to protect Albertans so that when Ottawa implements a policy or law attacking our economy or provincial rights, our government will not enforce these unconstitutional measures in Alberta. We will put the rights of Albertans first, always. Now, some are attempting to scare folks into thinking that this legislation has something to do with leaving Canada. Nothing could be further from the truth. In fact, this new law will have the opposite effect. By restoring and respecting the constitutional rights of our creative and diverse provinces, including Alberta, Canada will become stronger, more prosperous, and more unified than ever.